This is the video talking about how to apply sine formula and cosine formula to solve some questions. For example, when we have a triangle ABC, and if the question provides us angle A and also the opposite sides of angle A, the opposite sides of angle A, which I called it A here. And if the question also provides us angle B and the opposite sides of angle B, which is B, okay, B is here, then we can apply the sine formula to solve one of the unknown. For example, sine A over A equal to sine B over B. So in this relationship, A or this small letter A or B or this small letter B. So here 4 variables. If the question provides us 3 of them, then we can find the 4th one. So for example, if the question tells us a triangle with this ABC, tells you this 80 degree and tells you this 50 degree, this is 10 centimeter and this x centimeter, then you can apply sine formula to find out the values of x, because sine 80 over the opposite side, which is 10, equal to sine 50 over the opposite side is x. So cross multiplication, x times sine 80 degree, cross multiplication, and equal to 10 times sine 50. So you can divide by sine 80 degree on both sides. So x sine 80 divide, or you can simply move sine 80 degree to the right hand side. So x equal to 10 times sine 50 over sine 80 degree. And then using your calculator, beware, you need to put a bracket when you use a calculator. So the answer should be 10 times sine 50 over sine 80. So let's check it in calculator. So the answer is 7.78, correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this example just demonstrate how to find the unknown sign. Okay, next I will give you an example how to apply sine formula to find the unknown angle. So let's see. For another example, a triangle, any triangles, and call ABC, and here 110 degree, and this angle I don't know, so let me just make it theta, and here I give you 10 centimeter, this I give you 5 or 6 centimeter. Okay, so we want to find theta. So how to find it? First of all, we need to identify the opposite side of 110 degree, which is 10 centimeter, and the opposite sides of theta, which is 6 centimeter. Now, once we identify these two sets of data, then we can use sine formula to link them up. First of all, sine 110 degree over 10 centimeter. So just I pick up this set of data, 110 and 10 centimeter, equal to upper part sine theta over 6 centimeter. Now this is the sine formula and how to solve theta. Okay, so we also do the cross multiplication. So 10 times sine theta equal to 6 times sine 110 degree. And I move 10 to the right hand side, change sign, change operation. On the left hand side is multiplication. So when you change to right hand side, change to division, divided by 10. And then after using calculator, 6 times sine 110 over 10, which equal to around 0.564. And then we want to find the angle theta. So we need to use calculator again by pressing the button shift sign and the answer button and execute. Then we will get the answer for theta. So shift sign answer execute. So the angle should be around 34.3 degree. Also correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this tells you how to apply sine formula for finding the unknown angle. Okay, now next I will talk about how to apply sine formula to find the unknown sine and the unknown angle. So let's see what is cosine formula. Okay, for any triangle, if you have the triangle ABC and also have the angle A, if you know this angle theta, and the opposite side, which is A, and this side is B, this side AB is C, then we can use cosine formula to link all these 4 things together. So first of all, looking at the opposite side, which is A, make it square, A square, equal to the other 2 sides square, B square plus C square. And then you need to subtract 2 times B times B times C times cosine the angle theta. Okay, angle theta, which is in between and side C, side B and side C. So this we call it cosine formula. Now I'm going to explain how to you apply this cosine formula to find the unknown angle or unknown sine. For example, side B triangle, ABC, and this side this angle I give it 80 degree, and this side X centimeter, and this is 8 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Okay, so how to find X? Find X. So we apply the cosine formula. Figure out the angle 80 degrees first and look for its opposite side, which is x. So this question equal to x squared equal to the other two sides, a squared plus 6 squared, and then subtract 2 times a times 6 times cosine 80 degrees. Okay, next part, we can find x directly by using calculator. Square root of a squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times a times 6 times cosine 80 degrees. Remember, when you use your calculator, remember to add bracket for this part, all the numbers inside the bracket. So x is approximate to, let me use calculator, square root bracket a squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times a times 6 times cosine 80 degrees, close bracket. So execute. I get around 9.13, correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, this is the way how we apply cosine formula to find the unknown sign. Now I will demonstrate how to apply cosine formula to find the unknown angle. So it means that the question provides you the 3 sides of the triangle and asks you to find the unknown angles. Let's see. Let me give you a triangle first. So this is 5, 12, 14, for example. So I want to find angle A. Okay, so let me just name it as theta. So I want to find theta. So how to do it? First of all, we take a look at the angle and also the opposite side of the angle. So which is 14, so you make 14 square equal to the other two sides, 5 square plus 12 square. And then subtract 2 times 5 times 12 times cosine theta. Okay, so for this part, the red part, you can move it to the left. So you will have positive 2 times 5 times 12 times cosine theta. And the blue part, 5 square, keep it on the right hand side, plus 12 part, keep it on the right hand side, and move 14 square to the right, so subtract 14 square. Now cosine theta equal to, so we have 5 square, so 5 square plus 12 square minus 14 square divided by the whole thing, 2 times 5 times 12, 2 times 5 times 12. So when you use your calculator, remember to add a bracket for this. So what's the answer for the right hand side? So 5 square plus 12 square minus 14 square divided by a bracket, also give it a bracket, 2 times 5 times 12, so close bracket, execute. Then we will have cosine theta equal to negative 0.225. So we need to find the unknown angle, so we want to find theta. So for finding theta, we need to press the button shift cosine negative 0.225. or maybe we can use the answer button. So we can use answer button and execute. Then we will get the angle theta. So shift cosine answer, execute. So it's about 103 degrees. That's it. So this example shows you how to find the unknown angle by applying cosine formula. That's it. Thank you. Okay, so I have already demonstrated how to apply sine formula to find the unknown sine or the unknown angle in a triangle. And I also demonstrate how to apply cosine formula to find the unknown sine or the unknown angle in a triangle. So here are the 4 questions in your quiz paper. So please do these 4 questions by yourself, Rakin. So, and please submit your answer to me tomorrow. Is it okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.